Join me as I take the 3D version of Kendall Jenner's outfit in the real fashion show to Unreal Engine. If you are curious how I made this, I put the link on the right corner. I'm very excited because I want to tell you guys that Clo3d and Unreal Engine, they collaborate and they gave us plugins that makes everything very well and smooth. Because before, when you want to take your Clo3d garments into Unreal Engine, you had so many problems like missing materials, like missing motions. Some motion didn't work out. So let's just show you how you can easily do that. It doesn't matter if you want to take this as uh, without animation or you want to take it with a one-way animation. It doesn't matter, it works both way. Get started. First of all, you need to go to Closet Connect, and in the app you need to click on Livesync and find out which version suits you the best. So these are the things that you need to take care of. You have to at least 5.3 version of Unreal Engine to be matched with 7.3 Clo3d. If you have higher Clo3d, it doesn't match with 5.3. So make sure to take care of that. So first, these are the steps that you need to take. One of them is download the launcher. When you download the launcher, then you need to go and install the in Unreal Engine, and I did all, but let's go to the close side. The close side is to take care of the UV editors. You have to take care of UV editors. They all should be in clusters and they all should be super organized. If you have any types, should set the type to texture, because basically if it's set to OBJ, it's kind of loads of information should take to Unreal Engine, and Unreal Engine is super capable of crashing all the time. So that's what we want to take care of. Another thing is that to make sure that our Clo3d is on simulation or UV editor mode, and we should not record any video during this. Okay, let me go to Unreal. First, we need to open the launcher, and when the launcher is open, over here, if you just like me downloaded two or more than one version of Unreal Engine, you need to go set with the Clo. So because my Clo is the latest version, the Unreal version also should set to 5.4. But before clicking on the launcher, let's go to the marketplace. And in the marketplace, we want to search for substance. And let's see what it comes out. Yes, this is my substance. You need to click on install to engine, but because I already installed it, this is what it warns us. So be careful to install this first at the first step, and then let's go to the launcher and launch Unreal Engine. But also be careful that you need to already download this, and when it's downloaded, it gives you a zip file. So it comes with a Clo3d zip file. You need to go and extract it. I already extracted. This is it. So what you need is to right click and copy it, and then take these steps. We need to go to this PC if you are using Windows, and go to drive C. You need to find program files, and then Epic Games, and then if you have more than one, you need to check with the Livesync which one is compatible with. If not only one, then go and click on it and then go to engine and then go to plugins and then hit M on your keyboard. We already download Substance Painter, so Marketplace is right here. If you don't have Marketplace, you need to make sure that first download Substance and then the Marketplace would be appear. And then you need to go and over here you need to paste it. So we need to have Substance and Livesync in the Marketplace. That's all we needed to do. Another thing is go to film and video. That's the steps that I usually take. I want to set my project to subscribe as always, and then we want to take a starter content and ray tracing because it gives us more precise renders. So let's go to create. Unreal Engine usually needs so many times to figure out how to launch things, but regarding renders, it's super fast, super precise. I really happy that I switched to Unreal Engine. Finally, it's popped up, and there are some adjustments we need to make, and one of them is going over here in the right corner to the settings and the plugins. First we need to search for Clo, and this is a warning. You need to make this in every single project in Unreal, not the rest but this part. That start with going to setting Clo, and then it gives you a pop-up that you need to restart now, but you don't need to do it right now. And now we want to search for Substance. That's very crucial to do so, and then close it again. Let's go to setting, and this time we want to go to project setting. In the project setting we need to search for RHI, and we want to set the directs to directs 11 because we don't want to crash out. And another thing in translucent, see over here, translucency, yeah, we need to enable this as well. And also if you want to have any fog, also hit this as well. And when you close this, over here you can see restart now. So let's restart it. You don't need to do anything, just wait a little bit for Unreal to give us an updated project. But at the same time, you need to keep Clo open on simulation mode or UV editor mode. Go to a content drawer. So usually when you want to add any content to your project, first you need to add it to your content drawer over here. And if you want it to be organized, you need to just right click and make a new folder and then name it whatever you want. I usually Clo3d, set it to Clo3d. And over here in the window section, you can see Clo and the Livesync. Let's just dock it to next to this one. And now this is a very simple thing that's blow your mind. You just need to hit this button. It's as easy as this. And this warning also said that we need to turn off the simulation. It should not be in animation mode. It should set to UV editor mode or simulation. No animation should be recorded. And we need to hit OK. Now, this is it. This is it. Oh my goodness. It's like the best collaboration ever on Unreal Engine and Clo3d. I'm so thrilled. If you have any materials map and you think they don't appear you perfectly, you can click it very simple, and then over here you can find the materials and check it. Like, let me double click on this one, and this is my tool. Over here, if I see the opacity maps, this is how you can change the angles, and you can make the opacity like how you want it to be blend or not blend. When you think you are done with everything, you need to check if you want your garments with the avatar or without the avatar, because I don't want it without avatar, so I need to go to garments and then save this as a geometry mesh, geometry cache, and go to save and save it as a geometry cache because I already gave it animation, so I want the animation to comes out to pop out. If you don't want any animation and you just have a pose garment, you want to go with the static mesh as well as the avatar. If I need to save the garment as a geometry cache, we need to give it a time because it's exported and now important. Now, if you remember that in content drawer, I made a new folder and set it to Clo3d. This is where it comes out and it shows the value, and it said where you want to like save it. So I go with the Clo3d and save. I don't need this anymore, and we can simply close it. Now, where we can find the garment and animation, it's right here in the content drawer. So I click on this. This is my geometry cache and a folder. This folder comes with a materials. If you click on it, you don't want to touch this at all, but I'm gonna go with the geometry cache. This is where you can place it. I usually place it in the middle. And over here, you can select it to the right, up, and backward, or you can simply rotate it to, yeah, 90. If you are not a gamer, it's said that you can navigate with W, E, A, S, D, and Q also, but I'm very finding myself comfortable with hovering around with my mouse. If you hit both of them at the same time, you can go anywhere you want. Or so far from the object, you need to just click on it and hit F on your keyboard. It focus on it. Now I figured out some part of my garment is not completely seen, so I make sure to be just right here. And now we need to set up a location for it. If you are super new, super beginner to this Unreal Engine, it's very easy. Just hit the content drawer, and over here you can see Add Plus. In the Add Plus, you can go to add the quick show content. Basically, what quick show content is providing you with loads of free assets and materials. Every single time you need to sign in, but it's coming with loads of things like 3D assets. You can simply search whatever you want. If I'm looking for a chair, it also comes with the industrials, interiors, everything you want. It Besides 3D assets, it also has loads of plants that I'm very fond of it. I said shiny, and I think I like this one. Coffee marble, I guess, or seashells. Seashells also looks good. Okay, I go with the seashells. And now over here you can set which kind of quality you're looking for. Usually going with the medium quality, it do the job. It does the job. And let's do the downloading. Okay, now you want to hit add and then close this. Go to content tab, go to content drawer. You would see mega scans and the surface. So let's click on it, and this is my materials. I want to choose this and then hit drag and drop my materials on it. So this is as simple as this. And now we want to add more stuff in it. Again, I'm going to Quicksell Bridge. Let's just download some of the things we think we may need it. This one was better, this one. Let's also downloaded some assets. Something's bothering me over here. This gamer console. When you click on it, it said player start. We don't need this. You can simply hit delete on your keyboard. Let's go to started content, architecture, and over here we can place a wall. This one is 10. Let's place the wall over here and then rotate it. And then we need to scale it up as well. We want to add another one, edit and copy, and then right click, edit and paste. So setting the camera first, we need a level sequence. I usually don't change it at all and hit save. So this is our level sequence. We need to select our garment, just drag and drop it over here, and hit the plus, track, and geometry cache. So this is our garments working very nice, just as we wanted. It's a very limited scene, so what you need to make it longer, you need to hit shift and alt and use your keyboard and then drag this red thing to wherever you want it. Let's have our camera just right here. Hit the camera. So cine actor camera is right here. And we want to select it all. Find the best view that we want it. And then right click. And where is it? A snap object to view. So this is our camera setting right here. If you want to have a very basic camera animation, it's very easy. I select the camera, I hit the transform over here, the plus transform, and then go to any frame that I want to, like this one. And then again, I navigate through this, then hit transform again. So this is it. Right here, I want to set the current aperture to something that it's not blurry. So if you hover this around, you can see that your garment is blurry and not blurry. That's good. I hit this at the keyframe and then come further like here. And then again, I change it to something completely clear. Probably 21. It's showing complete clear. And then again at the keyframe.
Delete the light source.
I want a point light. Drag and drop. Add another light, like a spotlight over here. It seems the lights and everything looks perfect. In terms of changing the aspect ratio, I'm going here, select the cine camera actor, and over here you want to go to costume and then change this to 27 to 36. Because I changed the aspect ratio, also I need to change the lens setting. So how about if I set it to 30? No, let's go and set it to 85, and let's see. Yeah, loading the render. Let's go over here. We want to go render, and on the setting on save configuration, this is how I till now find out that we can use this directory, this output, to see where we wanted to kind of save it. Because it comes with loads of photos, we need to find a folder for it to be organized, and then select folder. And then I want to set this to 33,000 because I want it okay. And then that's all. Accept. Now let's go to JPEG and turn this off. We don't want that. Let's go to setting, anti-aliasing we need. And I usually set it to 128. If you cannot do that, your computer cannot handle it, let's set it to 64. And don't forget to tick this box. What else we need to do? We need to go and search for PNG sequence. And that's all we need. Now let's hit render local. And your mind would blow if you figure out it only takes like few minutes, like I don't know, 5-10 minutes to render all out. But if you think that something that you are not liking it right now, just hit escape on the keyboard and go again for another render. Time, I don't remember if I told you guys or not, but you can also get out of the clone because it was completely on, and simply click on it and close it, so it helps the computer. The render's over, but our tutorial not. So when the render's over, you can simply hit close it and go to your folders. These are all the renders you received out of the renders. But how we can simply make this into video? If you have Premiere Pro, you can do that. If you don't have it, you can do it in Blender. I go with Adobe Premiere Pro. I click on new project and then name it to YouTube video. Here it is. Now we need to go to file and import. Right now we need to find all the renders which are here. So we need to start from the beginning. I hit the first one and don't forget to take it on and then hit open. It is right here. So just drag and drop it here into the timeline, and you can see that it's completely done and we did it. So if you need to do any adjustment on it, do it, and then go to quick export and hit the export. That's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.